Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl TBJ from Decent Essentials, and I wanted to come on real quick and show y'all what I'm working on. Right now, what you're looking at is 2 ounce jars. These are tester jars that I'm going to be sending out to a couple of people to test out a new scent that we're trying out. And we had some extra 2 ounce jars that we're trying to get rid of. And so these are just some ones that I wanted to kind of get rid of and try out a tester scent that we just got in. And what you're seeing, looking at, these are not body butters. These are our whipped lotions. Let me show you what it looks like because I just whipped up a fresh batch. And normally, I guess you're looking at my hand. Normally, I have on gloves. I just took my gloves off to film this. And I'm going to put my gloves back on to finish packaging this stuff up. This is our whipped lotion. Just don't mind the background. But this is our whipped lotion. This is what it looks like. I just whipped up a fresh batch and I'm going to bundle it up. Whipped lotion, basically, our whipped lotion is really soft, but it's very thick. Well, I won't say it's thick. It's not thick. It just looks thick, but it feels light on the skin. Our whipped lotion is like a cross between a regular thin lotion and a body cream. So that's what you're seeing right here. Because it's as you can see, it's like, however, it looks like it's real thick and heavy. It's not. It goes on, it glides on, it feels great on the skin. But it absorbs into your skin like a lotion. And it feels light like a lotion, but it looks like a body cream. So I just wanted to come on real quick and show y'all what I was working on, or what Decent Essential is working on. And these are not going on the website right now because the scent, we're not sure about the scent yet. But there is a whipped lotion on the website called Lotta Whipped. It's already on there. You can go ahead and take a look at that. That's already on there. It's been on there for a couple of weeks now. And if you go on there now, our Cyber Monday sale is still running. It's 35% off your total order. So you might want to go ahead and definitely take advantage of the sale before it's gone, because we're not going to keep that sale going for long. We're trying to help people out because, you know, you're busy, family, what have you, social distancing. So you may have forgot about Cyber Monday. So we left it up and we're going to leave it up for a little bit, not long, so you can take advantage of the 35% off sale. So you might want to go in there and get you a whipped lotion, a body butter, some soap, some lip gloss, even some lashes, because we sell lashes also. And you can get 35% off your total order. Take advantage of it, y'all. Might as well. We don't know when we're going to be doing this again. And you know it's getting close to Christmas. You want to go ahead and purchase these gifts so you can get them ready and get them sent out and mailed out to the person that you want to give them to. So I will talk to y'all later because it's getting late and I'm starting to ramble and I'm getting tired. So yeah, go on the site. Make sure you check out our whipped lotion and all our other items that we sell. And I will talk to y'all later. Make sure you rate, give us a thumbs up, comment, leave a comment below telling us what you like. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay abreast of all the new stuff we're coming out with, because my sister just did a video on a new product we get ready to come out with for the holiday. And that'll be posted up soon. That'll be posted up this week. So you don't want to miss that. And that's a really nice product. So you got to check that one out. So make sure you stay safe and stay decent. Talk to y'all later, guys.